Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding the sample attribute in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 15 development tutorials. So if I go to the CRM module, so here you can see I have already installed CRM sales and different Odoo modules. And if I go to the CRM module, and you can see currently I am at my pipeline and there is no data inside this filter. So right now you can see there is no records, but still at a background you can see at the background you are seeing some data. Here you can see you have new, and you can see ref001, ref005, and some sample data is showing behind the screen. So this is what I called sample data. So the same you will be seeing in list view also. So you can see this is kanban view in Odoo. So we will be making a video on how to add kanban view in Odoo later, but you can see the sample attribute or sample data will be working with kanban view as well as the tree view. So here you can see you have some sample data, and if you switch to the list view you can see it's empty. Still in the behind the backend you can see some data: opportunity, email, phone, salesperson, next activity, etc. And you can see here also in pivot view also you can see some. This is called as pivot view. Here also you can see the sample data as well as in the graph view. So everywhere except the form view you can see the sample data. So in order to get like this, so currently when there is no data it's showing like this, but you won't see the same inside the hospital module. So if you go to the appointments, and what we can do, let me archive all these appointments. So I think we haven't added the option, so let me delete all these appointments. So I'll just delete all the appointments, and here you can see currently we are at the tree view, but we are not able to see such a thing. So if I duplicate this tab and I'll go to the CRM again just to show the difference. So here the tree view you can see behind the screen you are seeing some data, but the same is not appearing inside the appointments. So it is because in order to get those things, what we have to do, we have to add. So this is where, yeah, this is the OM hospital module. So that's the sample that I have just backported. Let me close this, and here we have our custom module on hospital, and inside view here you can see we have our tree view. So this is the tree view that we are seeing. So along with the tree tag, just add sample equal to 1. Just along with the tree tag you have to add sample equal to 1. So let's go to the UI and let's upgrade the module. So currently our tree view is like this, so I'll keep that over there, and from this tab I'll upgrade the OM hospital module. So let's upgrade. So you can see the module has been upgraded. Now if I come to the appointments, you can see here it shows in the background. You can see there are some dummy values coming. I'm not sure what it is written. Some data is coming, some patient name and some doctor's name is over here. Appointment time, booking date, next activity, status, etc. is showing. Initially we have like this, but now it has been changed like this. Simply what you have to do is that along with the field, along with the tree view tag, you have to add sample equal to 1, which will bring us the sample data like this. So I hope you understood. This will be working with kanban, tree, pivot, graph, etc. So you can try this and see. So I hope you understood. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.